Hello and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to check in online in Jetsmart. So friends, if you want to check in online in Jetsmart, follow me in this guide. Go to Google, search for Jetsmart, as you can see here. This one, click the airlines. After that, click on check in this page. From this page, click on check in. You will redirect it to check-in page. This is for check-in page. So all you have to do in this page, so follow me in this page, click on your passenger last name or booking email. Choose your booking email. From here, choose your booking codes. For example, this is your booking codes, and then choose your email. From here, click continue. So in this page, you can check in successfully without any problem. Just write your email and booking. So if you have any option, you can log in also your account. When you log in your account with your own information, you can with email and address, password, you can check in successfully with your booking codes. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this video for more content.